Klipxtreme's hi-fi headphones are engineered with hybrid active noise cancellation, touchless transparency mode and 44 hours of playback time. In this video we'll show you how to access the 3 active noise cancellation options via the ANC button, and how to activate the touchless transparency mode. First, turn on and pair your hi-fi headphones. Clicking the ANC button, you can cycle through 3 cancellation modes. With ANC low mode, the audio is optimized for a quieter or windy ambience. At ANC high, enjoy the full experience of our hybrid active noise cancellation technology. With ANC off, you can sense the world around you and keep listening to high-quality audio. To enable the transparency mode, press and hold the ANC button for 3 seconds. The transparency mode allows you to hear your surroundings while listening to audio with a lower volume. To deactivate transparency mode, simply click the ANC button again. You can automatically activate the touchless transparency mode by just placing the palm of your hand close to the left ear cup. This allows you to listen to something happening or being said next to you. When you remove your hand, you will go back to the last activated ANC mode. For more information and additional help, visit our website.